Hello, I hope you are doing great. Today, I'll be making the quickest, easiest and tastiest puff Bofrot with only 3 ingredients. Yes, no more waiting for hours to enjoy this delicious delicacy. Please do subscribe, hit the like button and share with friends because sharing is caring. Here, I have 4 cups of self-raising flour, 1 cup of sugar, and a teaspoon of nutmeg. Mix your dry ingredients and then add 2.5 cups of whole milk. You may use semi-skimmed or skimmed depending on your preference. And in order to get the desired texture, I'll be adding the milk gradually to the flour. Mix it well for about 2 minutes. You may use your hands if you want it even quicker. After 2 minutes of mixing, my dough is smooth and soft, just the consistency I'm looking for. Drop it into the hot oil just like this, or mold it like the traditional yeast method. Our puff is ready. It's golden with perfect texture and shape, and the taste is unbelievable. Try this method and you'll be surprised how delicious the taste is. As you may know, it's a great party food, and regardless of when you eat them, they are enjoyable. Serve with a chilled drink, top it up with jam or ice cream, tea or coffee. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.